Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another cryptocurrency video. I've been busy. I'm coming for BitBoy, guys. So I got big goals. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. We're making serious gains, guys. BitBoy ain't making no gains like what we're making. He ain't got nothing on our Telegram group. So if you guys are already involved in the Telegram group, congratulations. We just passed 1,400 members in the Telegram group. If you guys want to get in that Telegram group and talk to me, I'm sorry, definitely do that. This YouTube just hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm so proud of that, guys. I never thought, like, I knew it could be pretty big, but I never thought that it would grow at the rate that it's growing. It's just growing exponentially. I got my Instagram's blowing up. My phone's blowing up. If you guys are in the Telegram, please don't call me. Like, don't call me directly, especially when I'm making a video. I had to, like, make it so people couldn't call me because it's just, like, blowing up at that rate. But so grateful. So shout out to everybody that's on my YouTube that's a subscriber. And shout out to everybody that's in my Telegram. I got to show you guys love because I love you guys. And the Telegram group is just amazing. We do Technical Analysis Tuesday in that Telegram group. So if you guys are learning to get more involved in cryptocurrency and understand these charts and learn how to read these things, I do the best I can all the time to be in there and help you guys out. But there's actually people even better than me in there that are better at reading charts than I am. We're getting some serious notice all around the cryptocurrency world. Shout out to Feg Token. We got the owner of Feg Token now in the Telegram group, which is totally crazy, guys. Feg Token just hit over 200 million market cap. Shout out to them. You guys worked really hard for that. I know the moderators, the devs, they work really hard. This is not a Feg video though, but definitely get into the Telegram, guys, because we're giving these calls every single day. Every single day I'm making multiple videos the best I can. Yesterday we made 3 videos. Today I'm going to see if I can make 2 or 3 videos also. But today, guys, I really want to talk about Shib and Akita because I made that call out last week and we saw an insane run up. So shout out to you guys if you took that call last week. But since then we've had a big dip. And I feel like we're about to have another huge run up. I had a lot of people telling me, oh, should I sell my Akita? Should I sell my Shib? Let me tell you a funny little story about when LJ sold the Shib back in February. $100 worth of Shib. It turned it into $1,200 worth of Shib. And then I watched it come dropping down like the next day. It happened so fast. And I was like, I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to sell. It dropped all the way down to $88. And then I was like, dude, this was when Shib like first came out, and I was like, oh my gosh, dude, is this like, was this rug? What's going on? Like, are you serious? Like, everybody was telling me in this forum that I was in that this was going to be a big thing, and what in the world is going on right now? And I ended up waiting for a couple weeks, and I doubled my profit, and then I sold out of my position. Well, guys, paper hands LJ could have turned $100 into $100,000. Between February and April. Very short period of time, but again, it pays to be patient in this game, guys. Just buy it and forget about it. Like, ultimately, don't spend money that you are going to be like freaking out over all the time. Only spend money that you feel like you're comfortable losing. But buy these things and just hold them. And if you really believe in it, and you believed in it at the time, if you bought in because your gut told you to buy in, then if anything, buy the dip or just don't look at it. Like, if you would have bought Bitcoin at way back when, and then it ran up and then it went down in like 2017, and you would have sold, you would be kicking yourself right now because look what it's worth. You know what I mean? Like, a lot of these things, guys, you got to know when you're early on these projects, especially if they're microcaps and they have a lot of search results, if they got a lot of plays on YouTube and stuff like that. You got to give these things time to play out, guys. Don't be like LJ and sell your Shib, when it just got listed on a bunch of websites. And Shib's listing on more websites. I read too on their Telegram saw on their Twitter that Nick Jonas is in Shib. You guys who don't know who Nick Jonas is, he's a Jonas brother apparently. My sister told me that, so yeah, that's how I know that. I'm not a Joe Bro fan, even though I know what a Joe Bro is. I'm not a Joe Bro fan. But anyway, progressing. I do think that Shib is going to be a big coin, especially with the rise of Doge. I don't think Doge is done. We see how Doge kind of fluctuates. It goes up, it goes down. But we're starting to finally find a floor on some of these things. And that's what you guys want to do, guys. You want to buy the dip, but you want to buy when it's like consolidating and it's starting to show more of a bullish pattern. So in my opinion, I think Shib is going to see a big pump this week. It might be a good time to lock in a good position. Again, LG is not a financial consultant. Same thing with Akita. I believe that, you know, with the pump of Doge again, the market's going to start pumping on those little dog coins. Shib is still up 800% on the week too. So just because it's been down for the past 48 hours, you know, you got to consider, guys, we just had a humongous run up, and that's what happens. These things don't just go parabolic. It's not going to be a straight line up, guys. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, but a month down the line, this is going to look like a little hiccup in the chart. And if you sell these things, there's a good chance you're going to not be doing so well. You know, you're going to be pretty mad at yourself. So, don't be like LJ. Again, it's worth keeping a couple dollars in. Maybe next time it runs up like that, if you're still nervous, if you're already over leveraged in the trade, take out your initial investment and let your profits ride. But don't sit there and stare at the chart all day, especially on these microcap projects. Because again, if you would have been holding Doge when it was the size of Shib, you would be pretty happy right now because you'd probably be a millionaire. So just keep that in mind, that there's two things that will wreck you in trading, guys. That's one, being impatient, and two, being too greedy. So know when to take profit off the table, and know when to just be patient, let these things, you know, go and, you know, ride the wave. Even if you're down like 60%, it's not unusual for an altcoin to correct 40-50% before it pumps again. If you guys have been in cryptocurrency, you know that the price that you pay for performance, you pay for in volatility. So these things go up a lot, but they also go down a lot. They're volatile. But it's totally normal for a market to correct. No market is just parabolic forever, which means just going up forever. Even the real estate market, it corrects. You know, every 4 years we have a housing market collapse or whatever. We're overdue. They're saying it's a bubble. It's a bubble. That means it's due for a correction. You know, same thing with automotive. There's always, you know, a correction with that. There's always a correction in pretty much anything. The stock market corrects. You know, we have times where the stock market's down and then it goes back up, and, you know, it goes up to a new all-time high and stuff like that. So, same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, you know, corrects all the time. We see these 20-30% sell-offs before Bitcoin runs up to the moon. I don't think alt season's over, in my opinion. Not for a long shot. I think alt season really just kicked off in April, to be honest. Historically, March is pretty brutal to Bitcoin, but April and May are super sweet months. So don't sell out of your positions unless, you know, it's your bag. You do what you want. LJ's not selling out of his Shib. I'm a big Shib bag holder. I'm a big Akita bag holder. I also just picked up some safe Mars on the dip as well. I'm not afraid of the dips, guys. I learned, don't be afraid of the dips. The best thing that you can do is just hodl. Hold on for dear life, you know, because you'll be glad that you did. And don't get into this thinking that this is a get-rich-quick thing. Like, you can make money. You could flip money really fast. And if you do, if that's how you want to trade, do you. You know, like I said, pull out your initial investment, or maybe pull out all your money, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. If, you know, you just want to take that quick gain like I did. You know, I waited till my Shib doubled and I pulled out. But again, I would have turned $100 into $100,000 had I just been patient on the trade and, you know, didn't look at it every single day. You know, maybe come back in a week, 2 weeks. You know, if you're already down 50%, what's the worst that's gonna happen? You're gonna lose the investment. Well, you shouldn't be, you know, trading with money that you're not willing to lose anyway. So again, don't over leverage, guys. I'll say it a million times, and I'll still have people tell me that they got wrecked in the trade. Don't over leverage. This is not gambling. We're not gambling. You know, if you get a paycheck, I like to say invest 20%, put 20% in the bank, and then pay your rent and treat yourself with the rest. You know, you have to practice risk management. Risk management is what will keep you going in this game. Don't be greedy. Don't be impatient, or you will get wrecked and you will have regrets. So being patient and being greedy, 2 ways to have regrets in this game. Find a trading strategy that works for you guys. I let you guys know my trading strategies and stuff like that. You can always ask me what I think about coins and stuff like that too in my Telegram group. Again, if you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you definitely hit me with that follow and that and join up on our Telegram. We have TA Tuesdays. We're just starting that. So we're going to break down these charts, get into technical analysis in the group chat every Tuesday. If you guys want to learn Forex, cryptocurrency, stock market, anything like that. LJ's not a financial consultant, but I know how to read a chart, and I could teach you how to read a chart. I'm pretty decent at it. We also have some guys in there that are six-figure cryptocurrency owners. their portfolios were 6 figures. We got people in there that's portfolios were 7 figures. We just got the owner of FEG, like I said, that market cap's over $200 million, and you know, I'm really happy that FEG Rocks is in the group now. Thank you so much for supporting me. FEG has been an awesome community for me. It's been a token that has really changed my life in more than one way, just being a part of it too. You know, I've already 5x my FEG. I've had the pleasure of being early on a lot of different projects, including Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, and of course FEG is probably where I made my most money for my portfolio. And I'm just very grateful that I'm able to make these videos for FEG, and they actually support me too. So shout out to FEG. They just got listed on Hotbit as well. But Shib's on Hotbit too. Shib's getting on more exchanges. Like I said, they're gaining in popularity. Akita also getting listed on new exchanges. I think they just got listed on a new exchange yesterday. So the volume's going to start picking up once people start seeing the charts looking bullish and they're trending on that website. They're for sure going to see a lot of volume. All the bulls are going to join in the party, and we're going to reach some new all-time highs, in my opinion, on Shib and Akita. I don't think those are over at all. I think they're far from over. Honestly, I might even hold on to my Shib for a while now. I don't think I'm going to make the mistake of selling again. Possibly even hold it for the next 5 years. It's up to you, though, when you want to sell, guys, because it's a risky game. But the longer you wait, it could pay off dividends for you guys. It could pay off exponentially. So definitely do what you want to do. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Again, not selling my Shib. And I got the video here. I'm kind of dragging on. I'm sorry. I'm going on 3 hours of sleep. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.